Hi everyone. So in today's video we are going to learn how to transfer money from one PayPal account to another PayPal account. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever a video is posted. Stay tuned. So first you would have to go to the URL paypal.com/ls. So at the top right corner, click login. So after that, you key in your email address and your password. Then select login. So this is our PayPal dashboard, and as you can see, we have a balance of $22. So if you don't have a PayPal account, kindly check out my previous video on how to create a PayPal account. I would also leave the link to that video in the description below. So on the dashboard, you would see some quick links here. Since we would want to send some money, we hit send some money. So this interface is going to be open. As you can see here, send payment to, and you can see these are the email addresses or names I have previously sent money to. So you would have to get the email address of the person you would want to send the money to. So after getting the email address or the username of the person, you come here, then you type in the person's email address. So let me say I would want to send money to Marcus. I click on Marcus. Then this is going to pop out. You are going to select how much you would want to send to Marcus in dollars or in euros. So let me choose dollars. Let's say I would want to send Marcus $1. So I press 100, $1. So conversion rate $1 is 0.91 euros. So, and I'll also give PayPal the reason. It's not compulsory, but you can put something here. This is something small for your feeding. Yeah. So after that, you click continue, and that's all. The recipient is going to receive an email, and you are also going to receive an email with regards to this. Thanks so much for watching this video. Kindly comment, subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful. Bye bye.